We'll do an oil change on the Audi A6. First thing we're gonna use is the extractor. Come off of Amazon for like $23. 2 tubes, some brackets. You have to hook it up to your car battery.